Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to import a simple flat text file inside Alteryx. Till now, we have worked with the Excel file, we have worked with the CSV. Now let us pick up the text file inside Alteryx. So what I'll do is, I'll first of all save this workflow. I can press Ctrl S from my keyboard and I can write as browse, some name I'll give as browse tool. So I can close this workflow and open a new fresh workflow. Now, to pick up an input data, which is a flat file or a text file, I can drag this input data, drop into the canvas. From here, I can just click on this button and pick up that text file. But before I pick up that text file, let me open the file and show you the data. The file is kept into section number 2, import and export. It's a simple attendance data into a text document. It's not a CSV file. So I can just double click and open the file and it says few columns are there. The work date, the out timing, regular hours, overtiming, miscellaneous hours and the expenses. So what I can do is I can close this notepad file, open Alteryx. So I'll pick up the same text file inside Alteryx using this button. Click on this button, files option, and I can click on select. So that's a file name given as attendance. Click on open. And here if I just zoom the screen, please see the options which are given. The first option, it tells you what is the file type. Okay, it's a text file which is given on the top. Secondly, it says read it as built-in type. Okay, so from here you can select the data type of the file. So I can say it's a CSV file, comma separated values, but actually it's not a CSV file, it's a text file. So I can tell them read it as a delimited text file. Okay, from here, and I can just click on OK button. But when I pick up the file, please see the output here. It will give me all into one column, which is not a good idea. So what I can do is I can again click on this drop down, or maybe I can scroll down and check if I have the options here. No. So I'll just pick up the file again, click on this button and I can pick up attendance.txt, read it as a delimited, and I'll tell them the delimiter is given as tab. It's not a comma, it's a tab option. And then I can just click on OK button. And if you see, that has been distributed into multiple columns. When I click on run button, I am able to successfully pick up the text file inside Alteryx. And if you observe here, the first 6 columns are useful, but 7, 8, 9 column is not useful. It's not required. So to remove the other columns, in the preparation tab, we have a column named as select tool. Okay, we'll be taking that topic in detail, but select tool if I don't want the other columns, I can just deselect 7, 8 and 9. These are the last column headings. If you see 7, 8 and 9. So remove that columns check boxes, and then if you click on run button, you will be able to see only the columns which you have selected. If I click on run button and if I show you the output here, that's only this data. Now if you want, you can export this data into some Excel, CSV or any other data set. Okay, as per your wish, as per requirement, you can export the data. Now why we are doing all this activity? Because when you're going for a visualization or using any business intelligence tool, that time clean data would be very, very useful. Okay, but for time being, I hope you're able to understand how to import a flat file. So let me save the file here as importing text file in Alteryx. Done. So I hope you have understood how to import the text file, and that's all for this video.